Right off the bat, this white leather on the panels looks very. What's up, guys? It's Jordan, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Jordan 13 in the brand new Obsidian color.
If you ain't subscribed, you just sneak this in. You gotta hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, this is my first pair of shoes. I haven't had a pair of shoes before. Good Soul Squad, it's Jordan, and today we are back at it with another sneaker video. Right before we get into the video, I just want to say, guys, we've made it so far. We are so close to the big 500 goal. It would mean a lot if you guys want to sub and join the Soul Squad today. But yeah, I'm excited. We got a brand new pair of the 13s in hand today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty, guys, so today is September 18th, 2021, and the Air Jordan 13 in the Obsidian colorway has officially dropped. Now, these come in full family sizes. I was able to secure a pair, and let's just jump right into it. So, starting with the box, we get this really plain box, but we could even see the cardboard striations on the box, you know, nothing too crazy about it. It is gray. The only thing that we do see changing on these Jordan 13 boxes is the Air Jordan Jumpman logo on the top of the box. Other than that, a little wording on the bottom, nothing too crazy. But let's give you guys a look at that size tag right there. I have only seen these online, and I really like the outsole. That like a teal blue outsole that is on it. That looks so fire. Hopefully they added a little bit more on the uppers. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get right into it. As always, I'm gonna give you guys first look. We have regular white paper in there today. Alrighty, guys, here we go. I can't see them, but here we go. Oh, okay. Right off the bat, this white leather on the panels looks very tumbled. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Bro, I'm telling you, a lot of people are sleeping on these, man. I don't even know why. They look so good. They look so good in hand. Wow. Okay, let's get the other one out. Woo. These actually, a lot of people are going to regret sleeping on these. I'm going to give you guys my overview. We're going to get into some of the details, and then I'm going to give you guys some B-roll. So, right off the bat, man, this white leather, ooh, it does look super soft, but it is pretty hard. You can tell it really does have that tumbled effect. It is really nice though. This is something that I like to wear to like little outings. If you have your high school prom or homecoming, this is going to be a dope shoe. Or if you're wearing it everyday activities, this is still a dope shoe. That's something that I like about the Air Jordan 13. It is so versatile. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into these details. So, starting from the bottom, we have that teal outsole with your pods. Panther's eye on the bottom, which is not reflective. It doesn't have that hologram or anything, but it is still there on both bottoms. Actually, it's a beautiful outsole. Not even gonna lie. That's something that when you have your shoes on display and stuff, you really get the aspect of looking at the whole shoe. You know, when it's on foot, you miss some of the details such as the insole, the sock liner, the outsole. But that's what I like about this Air Jordan 13. Everything on it, the details are paid attention to. But yeah, so we have that outsole. Then moving to the midsole, we have this Obsidian suede mixed with these white air bubbles, or not air bubbles, pods that go around the whole shoe. We even get the suede going up on the inside upper, raising to the top to meet the sock liner. But on the outside, we just have it under this panel, leather panel right here. The white leather panel, it looks amazing. It does look amazing, but it is really not soft at all. But I really like the effect of it. It really makes it look soft, clean, and delicate. And we have the suede. The suede is definitely nice. It does not change colors when you swipe it, but it is soft. So that's something we like to see. And then on the base of the tongues, it does have that Jordan logo right there. Really clean. The lettering is in white. And then, okay, so we do get some extra teal on the tongues. It is on the Jordan Jumpman logo. Also, just a question I have for you guys. When you're wearing your Jordans and stuff, do you cover, and you're wearing jeans, do you cover the tongues with your jeans? Personally, I like to have like the tongues, the jeans behind my tongue, so whatever the tongue is, a 4, a 3, 13, you could see like the Jordan Jumpman and stuff. But I know some people like to like cover the whole shoe and stuff, so just a question for you guys. But yeah, so we do get this white sock liner, and then the insole is the Obsidian with that teal Jumpman. I'll give you guys a closer look at that. But yeah, retail is $190, sale is $250, $260. But if you guys have the opportunity to cop these for retail, definitely don't sleep. This is gonna be a shoe where everyone is iffy on it on drop day, but as soon as it sells out, the price is gonna go up slowly but surely, because it really is a clean colorway. I really don't have any complaints, except that the white could be softer, but you know that could go for every single piece of leather that is put on a Jordan. I'm really liking it. I wonder how white laces would have looked on the shoe. But yeah, the leather on the toe box too is not that bad. You guys can see it has that tumbled effect too. But yeah, overall clean shoe. Retail was $190. And as far as the 13 game goes this year, this is probably one of my favorites. We did have the starfish, we did have the red flint, but man, this is definitely up there. Super clean while being low key, you know? So that's something I like. I'm happy I was able to get my hands on a pair. If you guys are looking for a pair, you could check out at Kicked Out LV or Akame Kicks LV if you're in the local Las Vegas area. We are having a sneaker meet this weekend, so make sure to stop by. And yeah, we are on the grind to 500 subs, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy them. I really like this colorway. I don't have any complaints. I'm in love with the shoe, you know. The box, I like paying attention to the boxes and stuff. Some people don't care. They put them in these plastic containers. But yeah, the box really subtle, nothing too crazy. As always, Soul Squad, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Any questions about this shoe? If you guys want to know my opinions or any questions at all, just feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Hope y'all have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Till next time, guys. Stay safe. See ya.
What happened? Using my athletic expertise, started fixing shoes.
Performance. He has money right in front of him. Run up on that boy.